welcome back to this vlog because, as you know, this is the staycation vlog. Come on, back to back content. So, guys, I just arrived here like 1 hour ago, and I was just trying to set up things because, of course, I'm always that friend that would always be on time. Even after doing other things in the house, I got here for 2. I'm going to show you guys a tour of this place. It's amazing and very comfy as well. So I'll just show you guys around and show you guys. I'll be staying in the master's bedroom. Meanwhile, my friends thought it wise, thoughtful friends, to give me the master's bedroom because they said, as a content creator, maybe I should have more space. But yeah, that's very thoughtful. So I'll just show you guys around quickly and I'll see you guys. So guys, I just finished having my shower and we're going to be heading over to the parlor. We're going to be having games night, getting a little bit tipsy and all that fun. So let's go.
You guessed it. Yeah, I got you. Too bad I'm vibing, nigga. I'd be fine without you. Guess you found out all the mother always was about shit. And now you're gonna waste your time chasing me. Nigga, please. Ain't no need to waste your time being caught up over me. Nigga, please. I don't wanna hear about it. You can tell your friends about it. Now you wishing you was with me, living life so true. Even on your friend that I was cool with, they don't know that you be on that bullshit. Even though they didn't think that I was stupid, you did. But I ain't tripping, just don't push it. It's cool, I'ma focus on my vision. Cause you only get one pass and you used it. You used it, amusement. So funny how you used to flex, how'd you lose it? So stupid. wishing you were with me, living life so chill. Oh, what the fuck was you thinking? You probably wasn't even thinking. Oh shit. Now you gotta tell your friends about it. Gotta tell them how you fucked up on the inside.
Gotta change my answering machine now that I'm alone. 'Cause right now it says that we can't come to the phone. And I know it makes no sense, 'cause you walked out the door. But it's the only way I hear your voice anymore. It's ridiculous. It's been months. For some reason I just can't get over it. And I'm stronger than this. Yeah, enough is enough. No more walking around with my head down. I'm so over being blue, crying out for you. And I'm so sick of love songs, so tired of tears, so done with wishing you were still here. Said I'm so sick of love songs, so sad and slow. So why can't I turn off the radio? Fix that calendar I had. Let's go July 15th. Because since there's no more you, there's no more anniversary. I'm so fed up with my thoughts of you and your memory, and how every song reminds me of what used to be. That's the reason I'm so sick of love songs, so tired of tears, so done with wishing you were still here. Said I'm so sick of love songs, so sad and slow. So why can't I turn off the radio?
Hey guys, so it's currently I think after 1 and the girl is just ready to sleep. I have a long day tomorrow. I have a truckload of contents to be creating tomorrow, so I'm just trying to get a little bit of sleep, and I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Bye.